Now, if you grew up in the 80s like I did, we had loud music and hair bands. Today we're going to do a nice little upgrade to this little Jeep TJ back here. Our Jeep's had a nice little upgrade to this Alpine single DIN stereo, and it has a small amp in it. The soundbar has some 5 1/4 Alpine speakers. Now the 5 1/4 Alpine sound pretty good in that soundbar. But these dash speakers, the TJ comes with 4x6 speakers from the factory. This one's been upgraded to 4-inch. Not really sure it's an upgrade, but the factory ones were junk and the 4-inch speakers were installed to replace them. The 4-inch speakers in the dash, they sound pretty good. And for the most part, I think most people would probably be okay with the way they sound. But I bought some new 5 1/4s, and these are the exact same speakers that are in that sound bar. And we're going to shoehorn these suckers right in the dash. We're going to use these speaker pods that I bought. You take those other speakers out. These are going to supposedly bolt right into the same holes. The speakers will fit right in here. Comes with the batting to make the sound even better. And I think we're going to see a noticeable improvement. There's a link in the description below for the speakers and for the pods. Now the pods are a little bit pricey. I mean, they're not terrible, but there are cheaper alternatives. You can buy these adapter plates. And I'll put a link in the description for these too, in case this is something that you'd rather do. These are the 5 1/4 speakers we're going to be installing. A couple of Phillips head screws, and this thing comes right out. All right, you can see these 4-inch speakers are exactly the same as the 5-inch speakers I'm going to put in there in Alpine. And you can see they just use the adapter plates to go from the 4x6 to the 4-inch. So you can do the same thing with the 5 1/4s, but I'm going to try shoehorning these pods in here. The speaker pods come with all the screws and everything you'll need. They even come with a grommet, so when you run the wires through, you can seal that space up. And the pigtail wire that you get should plug into the factory speaker plug, and it's got the other ends for the speakers already put together. My factory speaker plugs, because this is a 1998, are long gone. Okay, I got the driver's side in, and it is tight, but speaker seems to move. Doesn't appear to be hitting anything. Go ahead and get the passenger side in and see how we do. Cue the copyright-free music. All right, we got the 4-inch speakers out. We got the 5 1/4s in. If you were ever wondering if you could put 5 1/4s in a Jeep TJ, the answer is yes. If you don't want to squeeze the pods in there, remember you can always use these adapter brackets. Comes with all the screws. It's a lot cheaper too. All right, that little project took about an hour and a half. Now I'm in the mood for summertime and hair bands. Thanks for watching.